Hey friends, are you tired of doing research the old way? You open Google, open a bunch of tabs, and still end up with messy results and wasted time. And when you want to level up with AI, finding the right information, the right data, and the right sources becomes a real struggle. But in today's video, I'm going to show you 2 AI tools that will supercharge your research and help you find everything you need in one place. Yes, friends, today we're talking about Rabbit and Other.ai, and I'll show you step by step how these tools can literally change the way you research. Researching papers and sources takes too long, and you often end up lost in a sea of irrelevant info. Rabbit makes your research fast, organized, and AI-powered, so you can find what you need in minutes. 1. Sign up and dashboard first. Open Rabbit and sign up. You'll land on the dashboard where you can create your own research library. 2. Create a new project. Click on Create Project, give it a name, and choose your research topic. 3. Add your first paper. Now add your first paper or article. You can paste a title, DOI, or a link, and Rabbit will pull it automatically. 4. Explore the network. Once added, Rabbit shows a network graph of related papers. You can see connections like similar topics, authors, and citations. 5. Use filters. Use filters like date, citations, keywords, and others to narrow your search. This is the real power because you don't have to dig manually. 6. Build a research map. Now you can build your research map. Click Add to Library and create folders for categories like literature review, case studies, AI tools, future research. 7. Export and share. You can export your list, share the map with your team, or even use it to create your own content. With Rabbit, your research becomes 1x faster, better organized, more accurate, easier to use for content, reports, or projects. Now that you know how Rabbit works, let's move to tool number 2, Other.ai, which will help you turn this research into content fast. Even after gathering research, converting it into a clear, high-quality script or content takes a lot of time and effort. Other.ai helps you transform your research into a perfect script, article, or video content in minutes without losing quality. 1. Open Other.ai. Open Other.ai and log, and you'll see the dashboard where you can start a new project. 2. Start a new project. Click New Project and give it a name. Choose the format: script, article, or video outline. 3. Import your research. Now import your research notes from Rabbit. You can copy-paste your key points or upload a document. 4. Choose your tone and style. Select a tone like friendly, professional, or energetic. Since we're making a YouTube video, choose friendly and engaging. 5. Generate content. Click Generate, and Other.ai will create a full script based on your research. You'll get sections like hook, intro, main points, examples, outro. 6. Edit and customize. Now you can edit the script inside Other.ai, add your personal touch, change examples, or shorten the sentences. 7. Export. Finally, export your script as a text file or copy it directly into your video editor. With Other.ai, you get a high-quality script in minutes, clear structure for your video, consistent tone, no more writer's block. So that was Other.ai. Now you know how to research faster with Rabbit and turn that research into amazing content with Other.ai. Alright friends, that's it for today's video. We learned how Rabbit can supercharge your research and organize your sources in a smart way. And then we used Other.ai to convert that research into a powerful script, quickly and easily, without wasting time. If you want a deep dive tutorial on either of these tools, or you want me to make a full-length video on one specific topic using these tools, just let me know in the comments. And don't forget, if you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Also, hit the bell icon so you don't miss our future AI videos.
Thank you for watching.
TouchMind AI. See you in the next video.